see how to thread suture needles. While starting, first we need to know needle types. So depending upon the point shape, needles are classified into 7 types: taper point, taper cut, spatula, reverse cutting, prime conventional cutting, and center point spatula. And depending upon the curvature, needle types are 1 by 2 circle, 3 by 8 circle, 1 by 4 circle, 5 by 8 circle, J shape, compound curve, 1 by 2 curve, and straight. So these are some needles. You can see the eye and the point. Now we will see how to thread the needle. This is the suture material. You can see that we can thread the suture material into the needle. This is that I have already thread the needle. See, I have shown you the how to thread it.